whenever, sahin ko na lang, makakasimulan mo. Simulan mo. Whenever I think about Ma'am Elma, I remember her as matahimik, hardworking, and humble, despite her achievements awards. She was an outstanding faculty administrator, researcher, teacher. She was my professor during my graduate student years, chemical genetics, yung subject. Pumasa naman ako. Yung klase namin, bale, sa Lasal ginagawa, no? Kasi part-time pa lang siya naman sa UP. Nung first term ko as director of the Institute of Chemistry, she was my consultant, advisor, whenever there are important decisions to be made at the Institute. She shared her administrative experience with me. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Elma. With your help, I survived my first term, despite the many challenges that we faced there. And now, on my second term, you are in heaven now. I won't forget you, Ma'am. I am thankful that I'm given the chance to know you. We will all miss you. I will miss you, Ma'am. Pero sa tamang panahon, in the right time, we will meet again. Meron po kami prepare na audio-visual presentation. Ito sana yung ginanap noong March, pero hindi natuloy dahil nagkasakit na siya. So, ito po yung prepare namin para sa inyo. Alam ko na dirito kayo.